PMR's states to clear power sector dues. Assam to make schools co-educations to teach maths and science only in English. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 30th of July asked state governments to clear power sector companies' dues which are estimated at around Rs 2.1 lakh. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 30th of July asked the state governments to clear power sector companies' dues which are estimated at around Rs 2.5 lakh crore. The Prime Minister regretted that the state governments are yet to clear subsidy commitments amounting to Rs 75,000 crore to power companies. About Rs 2.5 lakh crore of companies engaged in electricity generations and distributions are stuck, he said, while speaking at the closing functions of the Ujjwal Bharat Ujjwal Bhavishya Power 2047 event. Recalling the days of power shortage, the Prime Minister said that during the last 8 years, about 1,70,000 MW of electricity generations capacity has been added. Power is necessary for the development of the nations, he said, adding the country needs Rashtra-niti and not Rajniti. India, he added, is among the top 4 to 5 countries of the world in terms of installed solar capacity and also has one of the world's largest solar plants. Earlier, the Prime Minister laid the foundation stone of 735 MW Nok Solar Project in Rajasthan, Green Hydrogen Mobility Project in Leh, and Kavas Green Hydrogen Blending with Natural Gas Project in Gujarat. The plant in Leh will produce green hydrogen for vehicles. James Sonteron on National Report, Karbi Daily News. Assam to make schools co-educations teach maths and science only in English from the academic session 2023. The state cabinet on Thursday took several key decisions in the education sector, which includes making all schools co-educations except those girls only with long history, replacing social studies with history and geography as compulsory subjects, and teachings of mathematics and science in English language. From the next academic sessions in 2023, mathematics and science will be taught in English only from class 3 in all government and provincialized schools, and accordingly, all textbooks for these two subjects will be printed in English language only. The cabinet also approved an experimental move to introduce dual medium of instructions from class 7 to class 12 in Assamese and vernacular medium schools under the state government. This will give school authorities the liberty to introduce English medium without abolishing the existing Assamese and vernacular mediums of instructions. James Sonteron report for Educational Update in Assam, Karbi Daily News.